Damn, this shit's hot as fuck. Welcome to Cooking with Marcus. Today, we're gonna be cooking this shit. You see how it's boiling? You see how it's getting hot and shit? That's what we want, right? Right? Are you understanding? Are you understanding? It's gotta be like soup. Like alphabet soup. It's not gonna be like slurp, you know what I mean? Like the long noodles of shit. Zoom into the water. Zoom into the water! It's hot. I don't know what I'm doing. Move, fatty! This is my show! Is it called Cook with Patrick? Fuck you! Alright, you see? We open that shit. You see that? This is gold. You see that shit? Zoom in it! See how it's like hot as shit? Look at it. Look into the pot! The sauce. You get the topping. It's seaweed and sesame seeds. We split this thing in half. Now it's fucked. It expires today.
Are you serious?
No. Remember that, kids. It's in 2020. In the same year's thingy, eat it and die. Pay attention, kids. This is very dangerous. You see how that shit is hot and shit? Look into it. You don't want that shit to splash towards you. So what do? Lay it away from you. You see that shit? Yeah, lay it away. Nothing left. No wasting, kids. No waste. Utensil. Push it down, right? Right? That shit around, right? Stir it around.
Hot plate.
You put that shit on top, and like all the steam and shit is gonna help cook it. I'm having a heart attack over here. Where'd you get shaved? Have a towel, but we're broke, so I'll use my thing. Lift this shit up. Oh, yeah, I stirred it. Make sure you have like cold water out so like it doesn't burn. This is so ghetto. Fine, you want to get it as dry as possible, right? So you gotta shake it, pour it back into the pan. Now you get the sauce. The fucking burning sauce. This will burn your dick. Pour it all in. Look at that shit.
Oh, that looks disgusting,
Look
dude.
at that shit, dude. Pour that shit all in.
That looks gross.
Right? Right? You stir that shit around. You stir it around. Just fucking do that shit. Just fucking... oh shit. You gently, just gently pour it out. Boom. Pour that shit out. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Always wash your hands. Finishing touch. The sesame seed thing. Sprinkle it on top. Very clumsily, because I'm not a A1 chef. And there you go. You got your spicy shit, and you're gonna die. Now you're gonna see us die eating this. Yeah.